first time you see this car, particularly this version with the M livery, it's like when you achieve a dream, and it was right there for us. This, the 3.0 CSL Hommage, is the fourth time we do an Hommage car. And this time it was really important to us that we honor an amazing car in our history, and that's the original 3.0 CSL, particularly the race version that you see here, which won at Sebring 40 years ago.
This is an icon, it's a part of BMW history, because when BMW North America was founded, this car put BMW as the ultimate driving machine on the map.
When you look at it, you're blown away by the graphics. It's just the icing on this amazing car.
The rear, very much inspired by the original race car with these wide haunches and the big wing. Here we connected them together to create something that we think is pretty iconic, pretty unique to this car. The front as well, the vertical kidneys, the big, really strong shark nose that you know from BMWs in the past. We also reinterpret here in a very modern way the double round headlamps that you know from every BMW, but the race car actually had these X taped on the original headlamps, and we have that as a blue laser light inside.
The colour is beautiful, it's the same as the CSL, but everything else is modern. You look at the wheels, you look at the brakes, you look at the tyres, you look inside, the steering wheel is just a little like a Formula One car. And so my first impression was, when can I get one?
I think it's such a fantastic interpretation of the same topic in the mind of 2015 rather than 75. Great job that our designers done.